Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Cognizant has started with aptitude and game-based assessment in many of the colleges. Now it's very important for you to do one short revision of previous year question before the exam. So in this video, I am going to give you the complete clarity and from where you will be revising this aptitude and game based previous year question. That also I will tell you. Please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. We are really working very hard for you all. So before we move ahead, I just wanted to tell you a few things here, friends. So Cognizant communication round is an elimination round. So if you do not qualify in communication round, you will not be able to write aptitude and game based assessment. Actually, every single round is an elimination round. Cognizant aptitude round starting from today in many of the colleges. It is also planned on different dates like tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay. Total time for your aptitude and game based assessment will be 80 minutes. Okay. And Cognizant aptitude and game based assessment is also an elimination round. So my dear friends, total 80 minutes of aptitude round. In that, aptitude 30 questions and 30 minutes. So this will be moderate okay. So this will be moderate here. Question level will be moderate. It will not be very easy. It will not be very difficult. But you have to identify the easy question first and then you need to solve. Because there will be few questions which will be very tough and that you need to leave it. See, this experience you will be getting after watching that 1.5 hour of revision video. Game based 4 section and 9 minute per section will be there. Friends, this will be adaptive in nature. Sir, what is the meaning of adaptive in nature? So the level of the questions will be increasing, okay, as you will solve the questions. So it is similar like suppose, so first they will give you 4x4 grid questions. Once you solve, then they will give you 5x5 grid questions, right? So it's like first easy question, then moderate level of the question. Okay, so as you will be keep progressing and then difficult level of the questions will be asked. Friends, if you'll ask about the cutoff, right? So none of the company, okay, will tell you the cutoff before the exams, okay? It depends upon the number of seats. If they're going to hire 10,000 candidates this year, cutoff will be suppose 50. If they're going to hire 20,000, cutoff will be 40. If they're going to hire 30,000, cutoff will be 30. Number of seats are more, cutoff will go down. Okay, fine. So again, one more thing, friends, which you need to know, okay? So what are the important topic in your exam? So game based aptitude 30 questions and 30 minutes. Aptitude and game based, you know, right? Okay. Friends, reasoning, there is no reasoning in your exam. See, reasoning means one of the students were asking. See, if I say reasoning means topics like blood relation is not there, topics like number series, topics like alphabetical series, topics like sitting arrangement, topics like ranking test. So all this are not there in your exam. So you do not have to worry at all. Correct? Okay. Now, so I have analyzed the previous year questions. So here I have analyzed the previous year question, and after analyzing, okay, here I can say, so in aptitude, these are the topics from where more number of questions were asked. Percentage and profit and loss 7 to 8 question, data interpretation 5 question, probability 6 to 7 question, time and work 4 to 5 question, time and distance 2 to 3 question, SI and CI 2 to 3 questions, simplification 1 to 2 questions, permutation and combination mensuration. So these were the topic which were very important as part of your exam, and more number of the questions were asked from here itself. Clear? Okay. So friends, also if you'll see, right, so this is the previous year questions. And I will also tell you from where you can practice previous year question. So data interpretation question, and this is angle based question, this is mensuration question, this is again data interpretation, this is permutation combination. Here there is one question on data interpretation, right? So all those things are already communicated to you earlier. Okay. Now In game-based aptitude, friends, see what all they will ask: grid challenge, switch challenge, motion challenge, digit challenge, deductive logical thinking, inductive logical thinking. So basically around 4 section, 24 questions, and around 9 minutes per section you will be getting. Actually these questions will vary as you will be able to solve more and more question. I'm just giving you a around figure. And then how will you basically practice? So friends, this is one short Cognizant game-based aptitude. The link will be given in the description. Okay, don't worry about it. So this particular link you have to open. It is given in the description, and I will tell you how you will be able to watch that 1.5 hours of the video. Okay, so and also there are a lot of practice question. If you come down here, so here you see Cognizant game-based aptitude, and here is the link. If you will click on this link, you will be redirected to this particular page. See here, I have already covered around 34 minutes of the video. So this is the grid based questions. If you go ahead, then this is inductive logical thinking. And then if you go ahead, see already 2.5 lakhs people have watched this video. Okay, this is motion based challenge. Okay, so everything has been covered in this particular video. Okay, game based, this will give you the complete information. Aptitude, right? So Cognizant previous year questions, aptitude. Here I have covered all the, so click on this link here. Okay, and then here the previous year question, right? So that I have covered of different topics. It's not like same topic. So if you open this 53 minutes of the video, this is free video, freely available for all of you. So but see, I just want you to perform better in the exam. So here I have covered from every topic the questions has been covered here. See, this is time and work question. Okay, data interpretation question, permutation combination question, and this is okay, chalo bhai play karo. Okay, this is your investment question. So from every topic we have covered the question, and this will be perfect for your exam if you just go before that. Okay, and then again, so you will be also having the previous year aptitude questions and game based questions here. So chalo bhai, okay, let's go. So here the important topics has been given, and then the questions, you see this questions also has been given here. Okay, okay, so this question has been given here. Okay, right? So all these questions has been given here. Okay, so you can practice more with solution. Okay, and even game based aptitude is also there. So this is more than sufficient for your exam. So please practice it before you go for the exam, and trust me, you will feel that you have done wonder in the exam. This 1.5 hour of revision video will definitely be very much helpful in the exam. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are working very hard for you all. Take care, all the very best. Bye bye.